Hello, this is Elliott Wave, and today is Saturday the 17th of May, and we're going to be taking a look at gold. So no video yesterday because I've had some issues with the platform, so there was no data, so I couldn't make any videos. No data, no price, no video. So today we're going to be taking a look at gold. So unlike the usual videos, I did take a look at gold before we record this because I want to save you some time. So we are going to get started with one of the last counts that we took a look at last time we updated it here on the channel, and it's this one called wrong. Now we had the subdivision here, okay, which is it's hidden somewhere. It's all in all these counts, but basically what we're saying is we have wave 3 here. Obviously don't have E. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, my mouse is dying. 3 here, 4 here, and we're looking for upside into this wave 5, okay? And we said, look, what if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for minute wave 1 of minor 5, then down in 2, up in 3. Then we were around here and we said, look, as long as we don't invalidate, there's a possibility we are in the wave 4 and we're looking for wave 5. Okay? Now, that clearly didn't happen unless we have a truncated fifth, which, as you guys know, I always say it, truncated fifths are extremely rare. So it should be like the last option you should consider. But I mean here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you could force this as 5, but you can clearly also count it as 3. Okay. So I guess I don't know. I wouldn't call this a truncated fifth now. But however, so let's go back to the daily. Now this was one count which is obviously wrong because it got invalidated here. So we can get rid of this. Yes. Now another. Why is it still here? That's a good question. Okay. Now another count is this one, which is interesting. Okay, I think, okay, that is effed up. Sorry, people. Let me get rid of this. So I deleted the folder, but the waves are still there. Awesome. So alternative 2, obviously, we also took a look at this. It was a bit more, very similar count to the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then extension in 5. But when we were here, I was like, look, people, if this is an extension in 5, this wave 2 already is much larger than these. And this wave, so minute 4, minute 2, are 1 higher degree. So the logic is, how can it be 1 degree higher? Okay, this is 1 degree higher, less, and yet it is smaller than this one. So it didn't make much sense. And as a matter of fact, this got invalidated. Okay, so also this can I just okay, this is gonna be really boring. Because apparently we learned that if we delete the folder, okay, I think I need to talk to the developer. Okay, so -1, that's good. Now, this is gonna be my. So I have this count, and then I have, and then we're gonna need to figure out one together. Okay, so this count is suggesting that we are forming a diagonal, an ending diagonal into wave 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. basically what we were looking for is a top and intermediate with 3, this orange with 3. We are at 2 plus 6, 1, 8, 3 against 1, which is why I'm also looking, one of the reasons why I'm looking for a top and intermediate with 3. And at this point, the only thing I can make sense out of this is, oh, come on, up in 1, 3 ways up, 3 ways. Now remember, the subdivision for any diagonal, yes, it's a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's the subdivision of these 5 waves is a series of 3. 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 5. Okay? That's a rule for any diagonals. So 3 in ABC, ABC in A, B, C, A, B, C in 2. Now I would be looking for 3, 3, 3. Okay? This would be the what I'll be looking for in this scenario. Why do I say so? Well, the thing is, this wave 2, minute wave 2 here, it is the largest correction we've had ever since minor wave 4. Okay, so either we have a top in place here, and we are in the beginning of this intermediate wave 4, which is possible. We're going to try to investigate that in just a second. Or else, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to get a sloppy upside to then form the any-diagonal into wave 5. Which one is it? I have no clue. But I'm telling you, it is possible. So, that being said, as promised, we also hide this. And now, we're going to try to have some fun. The goal is, can we fit a wave 3 in place here? So let's ask the algo, can you find 5 subways? Okay, so it suggests this. Let's see. Interesting. So as you guys know, I see 3 here. Which is why I always liked it like this. 1, 2. Then I clearly wouldn't label that as 1. I think I'm about to sneeze. Let's see if I can hold on to it. Just keeping up posted. 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay, but how? What's the subdivision here, though? So it's going to squeeze it. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. So we're going to investigate this. I guess you need to squeeze a wave 2 here somewhere to make it fit. But then if you can manage, if you think about it, though, think about this. So sideways 2, sharp 4. So you have alternation. As a matter of fact, I think if we draw the channel, I think we touch it. Okay, never mind. Forget what I just said. But you do have alternation. Sharp 4, sideways 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4. You could also count this differently, to be honest. You could place this wave 4 here as a triangle. Here. 1. Oh, no, sorry. No, never mind. No, maybe here. You have to place it as a complex. Oh, no. Okay, you can do this. I like this better. Sorry, people. I'm a fan of triangles. I can't help it. So you can place a triangle there. Okay. And now you could say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Perfect. Okay, people. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 1 hour. Ah, God. Now we need to squeeze a wave 2. Now obviously clearly we can do this. Oopsie. Okay, big problem. Yeah, it's a default. I hate that. All of this goes here. Okay. Okay, sorry people. So where do we leading diagonal? What about this? I mean, the argument you can make is, and I'll give you that, Barrett, this wave 1 is so short compared to both 3 and 5. How is that possible? And I'll have to give you that. Yep, no excuses. Yeah. So I guess you kind of need to force the count, which is obviously not ideal. One, two, three, four, 1, 2. And you could count it like this. So it's not as important. So what I'm doing right now, which is labeling, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not as important. Now, in here, what is really important, and that's critical. This is 3 waves. Oopsie. This is 3. Okay, down, up, down. 3 waves to trend don't make. So this is most likely. I mean, not most likely. Sorry, potentially. This. Oopsie. This would be minor. 4 hour wave. 4. Okay. Sweet. Looks like the bottom here could be in place, looking for a pullback, and then downside. So this would be my short term. This would be what I'd be looking for. So today, basically, what we did is we went over the counts that got invalidated. We came up with this count, and I guess we are. So we keep this. We keep the anti-diagonal scenario. Okay, so basically upside. And then we'll just update it next week. Any questions? Let me know down in the comments. Unfortunately, that's it. I don't really have any other ideas, but if you do, feel free to share them in the Discord or whatever. And thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday, everyone. Oh, sorry, Saturday. I will see you most likely tomorrow.